Hello friends, I am Pathik. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, today we will learn some new formula and very useful one. Let's take an example. These are the salesperson and sales unit and rate. Now I want to multiply this sales unit with rate and I want total of all these over here. If you are not aware of this shortcut, what you will do? In a normal way, we used to do like this. I will select this sales unit and multiply it with rate and answer you will get in a perfect way. Then I want the answer in further rows. Then what we will do? I will just drag the database so that you will get the correct answer. And if I want sum in this cell, then what I have to do? I have to just apply the normal sum formula, close the bracket, and I have to select this range because I want total of all this over here and I will get the correct answer. But if my data is having number of rows and I want to save my rows, I don't want to just drag and again apply the sum formula. Then is there any shortcut or is there any formula? Yes. So today we will learn the formula is sum product. So I will apply the formula in this cell PRODUCT. Friend, this is an array formula. So first I have to select this column because my data is in this column C. Then I have to do a sign of comma and again I have to select this red column. Friends, one thing you will observe, there is no need to multiply column wise data or row wise data. You have to just select the data. Excel will automatically do the needful. Just close the bracket and I will press enter. See friends, answer is coming in a perfect way by using both the formula. If you feel I have added some knowledge to you, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Keep smiling. Take care.